Greetings, South Shore family, and welcome to our sensory room. This is where our students can come and explore all 5 of their senses throughout the school day. But are you ready for 5 facts on the fly? Let's go. Number 1, this Tuesday is our primary open house. It will start at 3:30 to 5 o'clock p.m. for parents in grades kindergarten through 2nd. You can come and see all of the great things happening here at South Shore Fine Arts. Number 2, progress reports will go home Thursday, September 22nd. Please look for them in your child's backpack. Number 3, Friday, September 23rd is no school. It is professional development for teachers. Number 4, our attendance is going up, and we thank you for getting your child to school every day at 8 o'clock on time. And number 5, if you are not receiving any information from our school, please reach out to your teacher to ensure that you're signed up for our Remind system and your email is current so that you can receive things through Aspen and Parent Portal. It is important that we get communication to you and that you are hearing from us. Also, you can check out our school website for all updates. We do keep it current. As for us, we'd like for you to have a roaring good day the South Shore way.
Thanks for tuning in to 5 Facts on the Fly with Principal Brown. Don't forget to follow us on social media, Twitter at @ShoreFineArts, and as well as Facebook and Instagram at South Shore Fine Arts Academy. Have a roaring good day the South Shore way.